Greetings, YouTube. Here in my state of New Hampshire, social conservatives are attempting to defund Planned Parenthood. And of course, on the national scale, at least one, at least one, I think maybe more, of the current Republican candidates have said that they will defund Planned Parenthood on the federal, national level. Now, the people that are going to be affected by this are not contributors to campaigns. The people that will be affected by this are the poor. The people that are pushing for this, by and large, are not the poor. And if they are, if the poor are pushing to defund Planned Parenthood, then they're working against their own best interests, which should come as no surprise to me. I suggest reading the book, What the Heck Happened to Kansas, as an example of how people can be convinced to work against their own best interest. It's important to remember that Planned Parenthood provides reproductive health options for women. Gynecological exams, birth control, they help with proper nutrition for pregnancies, things like that. They help people plan parenthood, hence the name. And though Planned Parenthood does in fact provide access for women in America to abortions, that constitutes 3% of what they do. So 97% of what they do has nothing to do with abortions. And by defunding this institution, you are essentially pushing women out of the market for health care. You are telling poor women that they don't get to have reproductive health care, because this defunding campaign will result in underprivileged women not having access to health care. So, I have a question for all the social conservatives out there. What do they do? And you don't get to tell me they go to charity. No, that doesn't wash anymore. Voluntary charity has never provided the coverage that America has needed. That's why we have federal and state charitable programs that are subsidized by our tax dollars. Because otherwise, we would have people starving in the streets. So, since I'm not letting you get away with that, what is your answer? What do these poor women do? Ones that want to have an exam to make sure that they're healthy. Ones that want birth control so they don't have children when they don't want them. Ones that want assistance when they are pregnant so that they make sure that their pregnancy is carried to term in a healthy manner. I'm waiting. Tell me. I want an answer. Not a vague, hand-wavy thing. I want you to tell me, what do these women do when social conservatives have yanked the funding out from under them? I'm really interested in hearing this, because guess something. I don't think that they're going to have any answers. They're going to tell me that it's all about volunteer charity, or they should get out there and get another job, or some other piece of BS like that. Because social conservatives never have an answer. Never have, and never will. They just want to do everything in their power to make sure that the world is run the way they want it, and if anyone disagrees with them, well then, you're just wrong. So tell me, social conservatives, what are these women supposed to do?